in Aikido, during the practicing, we challenging ourselves. So I recognize my weak points. So to overcome this, Aikido is very helpful. So for me, that for now, that is the maybe main reason. Of course, it is changing. Not famous, but I like people to see me and this. But to be now, it's different than in the past. So I think the reason is changing as I'm growing up. So right now, I feel that I have to do more on myself to improve myself through the Aikido, and actually Aikido is helping me to recognize my own weak points.